Good day. Once again, this is Sir JBN Emaligalig, and today we will be learning the 3 basic ways to join a class in a Google Classroom. But before that, let's have a recap. Google Classroom is a free web service developed by Google for schools that aim to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assignments. And also, its primary purpose is to streamline the process of sharing files between teachers and students. Now, let's move on to the things that we should prepare before we can join a class. Number 1 is that you must have a device to use. It could be your mobile phone, your laptop, desktop, tablet, or any devices that can connect to the internet. Speaking of the internet, you must have an internet connection, which means you must be connected into a network. It can be your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And you must have a Gmail account signed in your device. And lastly, you must be invited by the teacher to be able to join in any class. It could be in the form of links sent through Messenger, Gmail, or text message, or any other platforms that you can receive and access the link given by the teacher. So now, there are 3 ways to join a class in a Google Classroom. Number 1 is that by using the link given by the teacher. And for the sake of this example, we will be using the link given through Messenger. And number 2 is by using the invitation sent by the teacher using Gmail. And lastly, by manually encoding the class code given by the teacher. It could be sent to you or via Messenger, via text message, or any platforms that you could receive the invitation or the class code. Now, let's move on to the demonstration of joining a class in Google Classroom. Let's see. Right, number 1, we will be using the link sent to Messenger by the teacher. So let's see, the link was sent to Messenger, and now we will access the link by clicking it. And then we are in the windows of Google Classroom. We have to press the join class, and after that, we are enrolled. So that will be the first subject, the class for demonstration. Once you are enrolled, you can now stream the announcement, the activities, and the people in that particular subject. So the next one is the email or the invitation sent through an email. Let's check it. So we are using the browser here. Just type Gmail inbox so that you will be in your inbox. If you don't have a Gmail app, you can access it in your browser. Now let's click the first result and let's browse our inbox to see if there is any invitation. And there is an invitation from Sir JBN for us to join in his homeroom class. Just click the link. By using the browser. And now we will be in Google Classroom windows. And just press the join class button, just like the first example. And after that, few moments, we will be enrolled. Now, we are already enrolled in the homeroom class. Now we can stream the announcement, view classwork, and view the people who are enrolled on that subject. And we are already enrolled in 2 classes by using the link sent through Messenger and an invitation in Gmail or email. And lastly, we will join a class by using the class code by manually encoding it in the Google Classroom. Let's check it. So we will be using the browser. Just type Google Classroom in the search bar kung wala kang Google Classroom app. Then just click the first result of that search. And now we are in the Google Classroom window. if you can see the add sign or the plus sign in the upper right corner of the screen, just click it and click join class, choose join class, and then enter the class code. Enter the class code which was given by the teacher, sent to you by a messenger, by a text message, or any other platforms that you can receive it. And beware of the class code, because it is a combination of numbers and uppercase and lowercase letter. Once you have input a wrong class code, you cannot join. So just click the join class in the upper right corner, and then you will be enrolled once the class code given to you is the right one. So now we are already enrolled in the 3 subjects by using 3 different mediums. Number 1 is by link, number 2 is by using the email, and number 3 is by manually encoding the class code given by the teacher. So now let's have a recap of the things that we have to prepare before we can join a Google Classroom. So number 1, it is a device to use. It could be cell phone, desktop, laptop, or any device that can access the internet, because that is our second requirement. Could be your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. The next one is that a Gmail account signed in your device. And lastly, you must be invited by the teacher. And we have used the 3 ways to join a class in a Google Classroom. The first way we have tried is that by using the link given by the teacher, for this example, sent through Messenger. And the next one is that we have used the invitation sent by the teacher in our email. And lastly, we manually encoded the class code in the Google Classroom given by the teacher. Right? So for the upcoming videos before October 5, 2020, we already accomplished 2 videos, which are number 1, Introduction to Google Classroom. Number 2 is how to join a class in a Google Classroom. So the next one will be how to access and use Google Classroom in your mobile phone. So please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be notified and updated of the upcoming video lessons, which on October 5, 2020 will be uploading lessons that I am handling on this school year. Thanks for watching.